Hey guys, it's me, Malhinosh, and today we're gonna play Top Roblox Model. And I'm here with my friends Successful, Bella Sky, Seven, and Tio. So when they're done doing their round, I'm gonna show them to you guys. So let me just say hi. Hi. Oh, that's Tio. Oh my gosh, I need to spectate him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, where is he? Where is he? Oh my gosh, you couldn't have done anything. I'm sorry, Tio. I'm sorry, but you just didn't have a lot of time. So did my friend Bella did it? I don't know. Nope, that's not her. Dr. Stupid? Let's just call him Doctor, not Stupid. So, oh, it's my friend Bella Sky 7. Yay! Hello! I'm spectating you. I'm not a stalker or anything. So, let me go see what my friend Successful is doing. So I'm not sure if I should tell the real name. I'm gonna ask them. And yeah. So where is who win? Where is your hair? Sometimes it doesn't show up, but she had hair. So the name was Summer. This was good, but my friend was good. I'm afraid you didn't have time of doing anything. Oh, she's down. Okay. So she's 30. I good job. So now, first, you already know my friend Bella and Successful if you saw my last videos. And you probably don't know Theo is here. What the heck is he doing? Oh my god. So here's my friend. Yeah. Let me just say, I'm Judge. Also, does she know I'm filming and I'm already red? Oh my gosh, she doesn't know that already? Okay, so let's go spectate. I'm gonna spectate. I want to spectate my friends. Okay, so that's Theo. I'm gonna spectate him after. Okay, so what's the team? Hipster. Okay. She's doing really good for now. But let me see what Theo is doing. What does he have? Never mind. I said nothing. Okay, so nope. Yeah. So she's just, girl, you're nasty. Get on a shirt. Get a shirt on. Oh my god. So what are you doing? That's pretty cool, actually. So what should I? Okay. Is that her? Yeah, it's her. Ugh, face. Where is she? Oh, that was her. Wait a second. Wait. Oh my god, put a hair on. Come on. Oops. What did she just die? I think she was asleep, but I don't know. Let me just dance here. Oh, she died. That's sad. We dance. Let's dance. Dance a dollar. Let's dance. Dance a dance. Let's dance. Okay. So, hey, we're dancing. The judges are dancers. Yes. Yes. Okay, so E dance to okay. So why doesn't the E dance really work? Okay, good. No, it's not working, but let's just do this dance here because we're doing the same. I'm trying to do the same. Okay, I can do this, I guess. I can. So let's go. Where's everybody? I know. I think the game is broken. I think the game is broken. Let's fix. Let's vote to fix. Vote. Yeah, I'm gonna vote here. Fix. Fix, guys. I know that when we vote for fix, like we receive, but I didn't know we died. But at least I'm not gonna be judged. You know what I mean? Yes. Wow, team. Okay, no. Forget what I said. So let's get on. Winter. Well, that's good because like if never mind. I don't know. Winter. Now it's winter, so it's a good team for now, but not in summer. I don't know. Maybe I will take this, but this is kind of cute, so I'm gonna get this shirt here, and let's see what pants I will get. Maybe just a casual pants like this one. Yeah, that's not bad. So let's get some hair and accessories, and we'll see if we're gonna change anything in the outfit or something. So, what hair should I have? I could take this, but like it's winter, so I think. Oh no, I'm gonna take. Can I please take this hair, please? Okay, so I'm gonna take this hair, and I'm gonna take this here, right here. I need to get this off. Please get this off. I don't want this. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna die. Move it, move it, move it. That's not the time to. Please. No, I don't want this. Get it off. Oh no. Well, I'm just wondering what's. I don't know what to say. Like, what's this thing here? I don't know. I put it to. This is my friend. This is my friend. Where's your hair? Oh wait. Oh, she's cold. Wait, where's her hair? Oh, maybe it's just like inside, you know. Dance? I don't know what that's what. Oh, so she did one, so that's good. That's a good outfit. I wonder who will win. That's good too. She put the exact same hair, the exact same hat. I'm not gonna judge her that she like copied me or something. like a lot of people did this hat. Like, I don't know. Lol. Oh, good job. Yay! Yay! Just 1 point of difference. Point. I got 20 and she got 21. Like, I could have won, you know? So that's good. Where's my friend? That's good. What? Ah, she was pretty good. And this one is good too. I wonder how I got here. Well, no one knows. Hi. Are you okay? Where's Theo anyway? I think he left the game. Oh no, he's just here. Hi, Theo. Oh, he's judge. Again. For him. Oh, I'm cool. Okay, so the team is cool, so what should I wear? Maybe this? No, I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. Like, I'm not gonna wear this. It's too short for me. That's my opinion. He hates being judged. Me too. So what hair should I like with the cool hair? I don't know. That's like pretty hair. Maybe this, but there's no brown. I don't like the colors. I think I'm gonna take this hair anyway. Yep. And I'm gonna definitely change the face, because this face with this hair is really not good. For me, maybe for you it's different, but that's my opinion. So I'm gonna take those glasses here, yep. And I'm gonna book some headphones. Let's see face. What should I get? I'm not gonna get any wings because I'm not really into team pool. What about this? Yes, you slay, girl. Okay, so. Oh, she's VIP. Cool. Well, should I get any hat? No, the headphones, I think it's good. I think. Did I say I want a hat? Okay. Anyways, I don't have a lot of time to change, so. I'm just gonna say. Sup. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that. And where's my? It's good. She's gonna win. Bella is really gonna win. Like, that's more pretty than cool, I guess. I don't know. Is that cool? That there's two, like. Oh. Yes. That's my. Oh, that's. Is that what Bella? Oh yeah, it is. Go Bella. So cool, she's like. So cool. What's up? Oh, I was gonna say what's up, but what's up? What's up? What's up? It's so like an app. Like my mom have an app that's called WhatsApp, so it's a bit weird. Don't judge me, please. So Rihanna, sup y'all? Yeah, sup. This girl is good. So that's my friend. Just wait. So where am I? Okay, I'm here. Let me just jump.